This is quite a different video than what we are used to by Eva, but when she told me that she wanted to create a Coco Miguel from the movie Coco makeup, I said, yeah, well, let's do this. So the first step was to get her eyes brown, and that are the beautiful brown contact lenses we have at our store. And with a white face paint, we create the base of Miguel, because of course he is very skull-like in the entire movie. White is the base. So once that is all on there, it is time to get that face in a different shape. That is why Eva uses black to block out. So quickly clean that up and on to the rest of the face paint. So by getting a lot of black around the white, you can recreate the shape of the face. The eyes are black in a very specific shape, which Eva is just recreating. The bones in the neck, and a lot of black around that as well. The nose and the mouth. So just a few subtle lines to create that mouth. White dots, not white dots, red dots, I'm sorry. And the fan brush by Maron to create some hair on the forehead, a red hoodie, and that completes our Miguel makeup tutorial for today. Well, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all the videos we upload to this channel.